Let's address the core problem: Outlook not automatically downloading emails. This often stems from issues with your account configuration, internet connection, or the Outlook application itself. We'll explore common culprits like incorrect account settings, outdated software, and network connectivity problems, setting the stage for effective troubleshooting. Outlook uses email protocols like IMAP and POP3 to manage your emails. These protocols determine how emails are downloaded and synchronized between your device and the email server. IMAP, or Internet Message Access Protocol, is generally preferred for modern email usage. It synchronizes emails in real time, meaning changes you make on one device appear instantly on others. IMAP keeps a copy of your emails on the server, allowing for automatic updates and two-way synchronization. POP3, or Post Office Protocol version 3, works differently. It downloads emails from the server to your device for one-way access. Once downloaded, emails are typically removed from the server, which prevents automatic syncing. This protocol is better suited for situations where you want to download emails once without keeping them on the server. For automatic email downloading in Outlook, IMAP is the recommended protocol. It enables real-time synchronization and ensures your inbox stays up to date across all your devices. To ensure you're using IMAP for automatic syncing, you should verify your account settings in Outlook. Open Outlook, go to File, then Account Settings, and check the server settings to confirm IMAP is selected. Outlook's Send-Receive settings control how often it checks for new emails. By default, this interval is usually set to every 30 minutes. To access these settings, open Outlook Options and go to the Advanced panel. Here you can see the Send and Receive settings. From there, you can manage Send-Receive groups, which contain your accounts and folders. The default group All Accounts sends and receives every 30 minutes when online. You can adjust this frequency to a shorter interval, like every 5 or 10 minutes, for more immediate email downloads. Keep in mind that a shorter interval will increase background activity, which may affect battery life on laptops or mobile devices. Correct port settings are crucial for secure email communication. For IMAP with SSL, the standard port is 993. This port ensures encrypted connections between Outlook and your mail server. Let's visualize how this works. The mail server communicates with Outlook through port 993 for IMAP with SSL encryption. Incorrect port settings will prevent Outlook from connecting to the mail server, blocking email downloads. To fix this, verify that your account settings in Outlook have the correct port numbers specified. Firewall or antivirus software can sometimes block Outlook from accessing the internet to download emails automatically. These security tools are designed to protect your computer, but they might mistakenly prevent Outlook from connecting to email servers. Here's a visual representation. Outlook tries to reach the internet through your firewall and antivirus, but these security barriers might be blocking the connection, preventing automatic email downloads. First, check your firewall settings. Open Windows Defender Firewall or your third-party firewall software. Look for allowed apps and ensure Microsoft Outlook is permitted to communicate through the firewall. You may need to add it if it's not listed, and make sure it's allowed for both private and public networks. Next, examine your antivirus software. Some antivirus programs include network protection features that could interfere with Outlook's ability to connect to email servers. Check the settings for web filtering, network monitoring, or email scanning that might be blocking legitimate Outlook traffic. Finally, as a troubleshooting step, temporarily disable both your firewall and antivirus software to see if Outlook can then download emails automatically. If the problem resolves, you'll know these security tools were the cause. Be sure to re-enable them immediately after testing, as running without protection leaves your computer vulnerable. Once you've identified and resolved any firewall or antivirus interference, Outlook should be able to download emails automatically again. Always remember to re-enable your security software after testing to keep your computer protected. If navigation pane issues are affecting email syncing in Outlook, you can reset it using the /reset nav pane command line flag. First, close Microsoft Outlook completely. Make sure it's not running in the background. Next, press the Windows key and R simultaneously to open the Run dialog box. In the Run dialog, type outlook.exe followed by a space and /reset nav pane. Finally, press Enter to execute the command. Outlook will launch with the navigation pane reset. This reset can fix navigation-related issues that may be interfering with email syncing, restoring normal functionality. To diagnose Outlook syncing issues, check the Windows Event Viewer for detailed error messages that can reveal the root cause of the problem. First, open the Event Viewer by searching for Event VWR in the Windows Start menu or by pressing Windows key R and typing Event VWR. In the Event Viewer, expand Windows Logs in the left pane and select Application. This section contains logs from applications like Outlook. In the application log, look for entries with error or critical levels. Filter or search for Outlook to find relevant messages. These logs often include error codes and descriptions that point to specific issues like authentication problems or network timeouts. The error messages in Event Viewer can provide specific details about what's causing Outlook syncing problems, helping you or IT support resolve the issue efficiently. By 2028, expect AI to autonomously troubleshoot and fix sync failures in Outlook. AI-assisted diagnostics are becoming standard, proactively addressing issues and reducing the need for manual intervention. Microsoft is pushing Outlook towards seamless integration with Azure and Teams, reducing reliance on local downloads and increasing AI-driven fixes.